While going to the north side to buy something, okay, to buy something, we have to know the name of the things in English and Hindi also. Then only we can get the correct things. Okay, for that we have to know the names of these things. Okay, now we go to the class. Eatables. See, eatables means this is a common words used. Okay, see here, chawal. Chawal means rice. Chawal means rice. Okay, while we are going to the shop, we can ask them, मुझे 5 किलो चावल चाहिए. मुझे 5 किलो चावल चाहिए. Okay, in English we can say it as, I want 5 kg of rice. Okay, like that we have to use this. Then the second one is bath. Second one is bath. Bath means cooked rice. Cooked rice. Okay, मुझे bath चाहिए. I want cooked rice. Okay, then third one is imli. Imli. Imli means tamarind. Imli means tamarind which tastes as sour. Okay, which tastes as sour. Then we are using for sambar. Okay, we are use it for sambar and sabzis. We can use this. Then the fourth one is dal. Okay, dal. Dal means pulse. Dal means pulse. Okay, dal means pulse. Here mostly common in north side they are using chapati and dal. Chapati. While you asking them what is the breakfast or what is the dinner and lunch, they always say as chapati and dal. Dal is a dish used, okay, used to use side dish for chapati. Okay, like. Then the fifth one is dahi. Okay, dahi. Dahi means curd. Dahi means curd. Without curd we can't eat in South India. In South Indian food, dahi is the main thing. Dahi is the main thing. Then the sixth one is matta or charch. Matta or charch. This is buttermilk. This is buttermilk. In गर्मी के समय, in गर्मी के समय हम रोज मट्टा पीने चाहिए. मट्टा पीने चाहिए. Okay, in the summer season we have to drink the buttermilk. Okay, we have to drink the buttermilk. Then the seventh one is doodh. Okay, seventh one is doodh is milk. Okay, doodh is, okay, doodh is milk. Doodh is तंदुरुस्ती. तंदुरुस्ती हमारी हेल्थ के लिए, हमारी शरीर के लिए दूध तंदुरुस्ती देती है. Okay, in milk we are having many energies. Okay, for small children it is a food also. Okay, it is one type of food also. For small children we have to give them daily 1 tumbler, 1 cup of milk. Then the ninth one is anda. Okay, anda means egg. Anda means egg. Okay, this means we can choose any. Murgi ki anda. Murgi ki anda means what? Okay, murgi ki anda means the egg of the hen. Egg of the hen or cock. Okay, then 10th one is mans. Mans means meat. Mans mean meat. Okay, here the 11th one is sahad. Sahad means honey. Sahad means honey. Okay, in सबेरे हर रोज हमको गर्म पानी में शहद मिलकर पीना है. Okay, daily. Okay, daily you can get. Okay, we can mix honey in the hot water. Honey in the hot water, then you can drink it. Okay, it gives us some immunity power. Okay, then the 12th one is tail. Tail means oil. Tail means oil. Okay, हमारी सिर में हमको तेल लगना चाहिए. हमारी सिर में, हमारी बालों के लिए हमको तेल हमारे सिर में लगना चाहिए means you have to put coconut oil in your hair. Okay, then the 13th one is haldi. Haldi means turmeric. Haldi means turmeric. It is very important in our kitchen. Okay, it is very important in our kitchen. We use it for everything. Okay, we use it for everything. It is also it has many medicinal value. Okay, it has many medicinal value. Then the 14th one is saraso. Saraso means mustard. Okay, saraso means mustard. Okay, then the 15th one is til. Til means gingerly. Okay, we can make it as gingerly as chutney, or you can say it as gingerly oil. Okay, gingerly oil is best for our growth. Then sabudana. Sabudana means sago. Sago. It is we can use sabudana, mix it in milk. It will become a sweet dish. Okay, in the occasion we use this sabudana. We call it as ghee also. In Tamil we can call it as payasam. Okay, then 17th one is Elaichi. Okay, Elaichi means cardamom. Elaichi means cardamom. It brings a good smell. Cardamom brings good smell. Okay, we can use it in sarbat, ghee, etc. in sweets. Then 18th one is laung. Laung means clove. Laung means clove. For spicy food we have to use this. Okay, for spicy foods we are using clove. Okay, then 19th one is moongfali. Moongfali means groundnut. Moongfali means groundnut. मुझे मूंगफली का मिठाई चाहिए. Okay, मुझे मूंगफली का मिठाई चाहिए. It gives strength to the small children. Anyone can eat this मूंगफली. Okay, anyone can eat this मूंगफली, groundnut. Okay, then 20th one is good. Good means jaggery. Good means jaggery. In the place of sugar we are using jaggery. Okay, nowadays the uses of sugar is going down. Now you are using jaggery in everything. For tea, coffee. Okay, for tea, coffee we are using this jaggery. Then 21st is methi. Methi means fenugreek. Methi means fenugreek. Here we will see in the kitchen source they are using the kasturi methi. Okay, kasturi methi. It gives flavors. It gives flavor to the dish. Okay, then 22nd is atta. Atta means flour. Here we can say it as wheat flour. Wheat flour, rice flour. Okay, anything. Then the 23rd is kadi. Kadi means bakery. It is a semi-solid liquid used for rice. Then this is, children are fond of gulfi. Okay, gulfi we know. Gulfi means ice cream. Then the 25th is geer. Geer means a sweet. Okay, a sweet milk dish which is must used in the occasions. Okay, must used in the occasions. Then 26 is ghee. Okay, same meaning, ghee. Then the 27 is jalpan. Jalpan means tiffin. आपका जलपान हो गया है क्या? आपका जलपान हो गया है क्या means can you taken the tiffin? Can you taken the tiffin? Then 28th is pan. Pan means betel leaf. Okay, after eating heavy food. Okay, after eating heavy food we have to take this betel leaf and supari. Okay, this is a favorite in South Indian dishes. We call it as bida. We call it as bida. That wise pan. Pan means betel leaf. Okay, it gives digestion also, very good digestion. For digestion we are using pan. Pan means betel leaf. Then misri. Misri means sweet candy. Okay, sweet candy. In the tea shops we can see that sweet candy mill. Sweet candy milks. In Tamil we can say it as karkandu pal. Okay, sweet candy milk. Misri doodh. Okay, missi doodh means kalkand pal, that is sweet candy. Okay, then supari. Okay, all you know, supari and pan mixed gives us very good digestion. Okay, once again I can explain you. Here see chawal. Chawal means rice. Then bath means cooked rice. These are the difference. Okay, then the third one is imli. Imli means tamarind. Here dal. Dal means pulse. We can use any type of pulse. Moong dal, okay, moong dal, dur dal, okay, any type of dal. Here dahi. Dahi means curd. Matta and chach. Chach means buttermilk. It is good for our health. Then doodh. Doodh means milk. Here makkan. Makkan means butter. Here also we can say it as anda. Anda means egg. Okay, anda means egg. Mans means meat. Okay, sahad. Sahad means honey. Here tail. Okay, tail means oil. Here also we are having different types of tails. Then haldi. Haldi is a turmeric. It gives very medicinal value. Here saraso. Saraso means mustard. Til. Til means gingerly. Okay, then sabudana. Sabudana is sago. Elaichi. Elaichi is cardamom. Laung. Laung means cloves. It gives spice. Okay, spice to the food. The 19th one is moongfali. Moongfali means groundnut. Here good. Good means jaggery. Methi. Methi means fenugreek. Okay, fenugreek. It is very healthy to the children. It gives away the constipation. Then atta. Atta means here we are having flour, different types of flours. We are having wheat flour, rice flour, ground flour, etc. etc. Then this is kadi. Kadi means bakery. It is a semi-solid liquid used for rice. Then gulfi. All you know, gulfi means ice cream. Here ghee. Ghee is a sweet milk dish. Then ghee. Ghee means ghee. We are having ghee for using rice. For dosa. While you are going to hotel, we always asking ghee dosa. Okay, ghee dosa. Then the 27th is jalpan. Jalpan means tiffin. Aapka jalpan ho gaya hai. Meri jalpan ho gaya hai. Okay, I already eaten the tiffin. Then pan. Pan means betel leaf which gives digestion. Then misri means sweet candy. Then supari. Supari means betel nut. Okay, these are the eatable things we have to know, and we can use it in the day-to-day life.